Understanding the phrase, dive shop, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our English learning channel. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss, the phrase, dive shop. Whether you are a scuba diving enthusiast or just looking to expand your English vocabulary, this video is for you. Let's dive in and explore what dive shop really means, and in which contexts you can use it. Dive shop is a compound noun consisting of two words, dive and shop. Dive, this word is derived from the verb to dive, which means to jump or plunge into water. However, in this context, dive refers to the activity of swimming underwater, especially using special breathing equipment. Shop, this is a place where you can buy goods or services. It's a commercial establishment. So, when these two words come together, they create a term that refers to a specialized store. A dive shop is a retail store that specializes in selling scuba diving and snorkeling equipment. You can find a wide range of products, including masks, snorkels, fins, wetsuits, and more. They may also offer services like equipment rentals, repair services, and scuba diving lessons. It's a go-to place for both beginners and experienced divers to get the gear and information they need. Now that we know what a dive shop is, let's see how to use this phrase in sentences. 1. I need to buy a new mask and snorkel, so I'm going to visit the dive shop downtown. 2. The dive shop near the beach offers scuba diving lessons every weekend. 3. Before our vacation, we went to the dive shop to rent wetsuits and fins. In these examples, dive shop is used to refer to a place where diving-related goods and services are offered. Thank you so much for watching. We hope this video has helped you understand what dive shop means and how you can use it in different contexts. Remember, whether you are planning to explore the underwater world or just learning new English phrases, knowing terms like this can be very handy. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more English learning content. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.